Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today we will see MCQs of Constitution of India. Friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So friends, we will see MCQs of Constitution. Question with answer. Question number 1. Grounds for the declaration of financial emergency include. Answer is option number D. All the above means option A. Threat to the financial stability of India. Option B. Threat to the credit of India. Option C. Threat to the financial stability or credit of any part of the territory of India. All of the above. Question number 2. Article 80 deals with. Answer is option number B. Composition of Rajya Sabha. Question number 3. Executive power of the state is vested with. Answer is option number C. Governor of the state. Question number 4. The governor holds office. Answer is option number D. During the pleasure of the president and if not recalled earlier for the period of 5 years. Question number 5. Was the proclamation of emergency is made the right of the citizen to move Supreme Court for the enforcement of his fundamental right is suspended by. Answer is option number B. The President of India. Question number 6. The powers of the President are. Answer is option number B. In accordance with the Constitution. Question number 7. After a bill has been passed by the Parliament and sent to the President. Answer is option number D. He can send it back for consideration. Question number 8. The salary and allowances of the governor are charged to. Answer is option number A. Consolidated fund of the state. Question number 9. Members of Lok Sabha are elected by way of. Answer is option number A. People's representation. Question number 10. Representation of Lok Sabha is based on. Answer is option number B. Population. Question number 11. A member of parliament can claim immunity. Answer is option number B. From civil cases only. Question number 12. Prorogation of the house means. Answer is option number C. The session of the house has been terminated. Question number 13. The Constitution of India provides special procedure for. Answer is option number A. Money bill. Question number 14. The Attorney General of India holds office during the pleasure of. Answer is option number C. The President of India. Question number 15. In the event of the resignation or death of Prime Minister. Answer is option number A. The ministry is dissolved. Question number 16. Rajya Sabha has the exclusive authority to. Answer is option number C. Recommend the creation of new All India services. Question number 17. A law made by Parliament having extraterritorial operation shall. Answer is option number A. Not be deemed invalid. Question number 18. Article 155 to 159 of the Indian Constitution deal with. Answer is option number D. President's power to appoint and dismiss governor. Question number 19. The Speaker of Lok Sabha has to address his letter of resignation to the. Answer is option number B. Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question number 20. To adjudicate on any dispute relating to any interstate rivers or interstate valley. Answer is option number D. The Parliament is empowered to establish tribunal and to that extend the jurisdiction of the. Question number 21. The Supreme Court of India is. Answer is option number A. A court of record and has power to punish for its contempt. Question number 22. The judges of the Supreme Court are appointed. Answer is option number D. By the President in Constitution with the Chief Justice of India and out of the judges of. Question number 23. Supreme Court has original jurisdiction. Answer is option number A. In all interstate or union state disputes. Question number 24. It is inappropriate for petitioner in public interest litigation to. Answer is option number C. Withdraw proceeding as of right and further to claim that they shall not be continued. Question number 25. A retired judge of High Court cannot. Answer is option number C. Practicing the High Court from which he has retired. Question number 26. The jurisdiction of Supreme Court of India may be enlarged by. Answer is option number A. Parliament by law. Question number 27. Which article lays down that the laws declared by the Supreme Court would be binding on the courts in India? Answer is option number B. Article 141. Question number 28. Supreme Court struck down a part of the Preventive Detention Act in the. Answer is option number A. Gopalan case. Question number 29. The structure of Indian Constitution is. Answer is option number A. Federal in form and unitary in spirit. Question number 30. The most important feature of federation is. Answer is option number D. Union of states. Question number 31. Which article of the Indian Constitution discusses the financial relations between the center and the states? Answer is option number A. Article 268, Article 281. Question number 32. The concurrent list contains. Answer is option number A. 47 subjects. Question number 33. The Union of India has power. Answer is option number C. Both A and B. Option A. To issue administrative directions to the states. Option B. To delegate administrative functions to the states. Question number 34. Emergency can be proclaimed. Answer is option number D. In the entire country or any part of the territory of India. Question number 36. Question number 35. The President can issue the proclamation of emergency. Answer is option number D. When the decision of Union Cabinet for the issuance of such proclamation has been. Question number 36. The words socialism and secularism were inserted by the. Answer is option number C. 42nd Amendment. Question number 37. In which case Supreme Court held that an amendment of the Constitution under Article 368 was law within the meaning of Article 13. Answer is option number A. Golaknath versus State of Punjab. Question number 38. Which of the following case was the reason behind the Parliament passing the 24th Amendment of Constitution Act 1971? Answer is option number B. Golaknath versus State of Punjab. Question number 39. First constitutional amendment was challenged in the case of. Answer is option number A. Shankari Prasad versus Union of India. Question number 40. A bill to amend the Constitution may be initiated in. Answer is option number C. Either in Rajya Sabha or Lok Sabha. Question number 41. In case of conflict between fundamental rights of citizen and privileges of parliament. Answer is option number D. Generally, parliamentary privileges will prevail, but parliament while acting against the. Question number 42. Which of the following is incorrect? Answer is option number C. Newspapers have also the freedom to publish expunged portions of the speech of an MP. Question number 43. Vidhan Sabha has a term of. Answer is option number C. 5 years unless dissolved earlier. Question number 44. Which of the following is continuing body? Answer is option number C. Legislative Council. Question number 45. Who is considered as the custodian of Lok Sabha? Answer is Option number D, the Speaker. Question number 46. Decision of the disqualification of member of Lok Sabha are taken by. Answer is option number A, Speaker. Question number 47. Provision to financial bill is provided under. Answer is option number C, Article 117. Question number 48. The power of the Supreme Court can be enlarged by. Answer is option number B, Parliament. Question number 49. Judge of the Supreme Court can be removed from offices by. Answer is option number B, impeachment. Question number 50. The duration of an ordinance issued by the President of India is. Answer is option number D, 6 weeks from the date of assembly of the Parliament. So friends, these are MCQs of important MCQs of Constitution. Thank you.